Welcome to all of my friends in Study with Motivation. Today we will talk about some important general knowledge question. The first question is alpha keratin is a protein present in which things? Alpha keratin is a protein present in which thing? The right answer of this question is bull. The right answer of this question is bull. The next question. Where was the first session of the National Congress? Where was the first session of the Constitutional Assembly held? It is New Delhi. It is New Delhi. The next question is third. What is the next question? Which of the following is used as a moderator in a nuclear reactor? Which of the following is used as a moderator in a nuclear reactor? That is graphite. That is graphite. The next question. The next question is 4. Which planet looks reddish in the night sky? It is Mars. Mars planet is also known as the red planet. Next question. The next question is 5. What was the source of blue game stone leveraged largely for the people of the Harappa culture? That is Afghanistan. That is Afghanistan. The next question. The next question is 6. Sachin Tendulkar scored his 100th national century against which country? That is Bangladesh. Sachin Tendulkar scored his 100th international century against which country? That is Bangladesh. Next question. The next question is 7. In baseball, the two opposing team consist of how many players? That is, consist of how many players? The right answer of this question is 9 player each section. 9 player each section. The next question. The next question is 8. The improper function of which results in condition of the myxodema in human being. This is thyroid glands. This is thyroid glands. The next question. In 1610, Galileo discovered four moons. Discovered four moons of which planet? That is Jupiter. That is Jupiter. The next question is 10. In the Vedic society, in the Vedic society, which was a term used to denote a group of families, that is gram, a group of families. The next question, the next question is 11. Who was the chairman of the Union? Who was the chairman of the Union Constitutional Committee of the Constitution Assembly? That is Jawaharlal Nehru. Who was the first chairman of the Union Constitutional Committee of the Constitutional Assembly? That is Jawaharlal Nehru. 12. Which element does not occur in nature but can be produced artificially? Which element which element that does not occur in nature but can be produced artificially? That is plutonium. Plutonium is the right answer of this question. The next question. The next question is 13. When had India a plan holiday? It is after the drought of 1966. After the drought of 1966. Next question. Next question is 14. How are latitude and longitude? That is perpendicular to each other. Perpendicular to each other. Perpendicular to each other. The next question. The next question is 15. Which philosophy holds that the world is created and maintained by the universal law? This is Jain philosophy. Jain philosophy say that the world is created and maintained by the universal law. The next question. The next question is 16. Which book is authored by V.S. Naipaul? V.S. Naipaul. That is A House for M.S. Biswas. A House for M.S. Biswas. The next question. The next question is 17. What does say the next question? The next question say that which can be used for biological control of mosquitoes? This is Gambusia. Gambusia is a substance to use for biological control of mosquitoes. The next question is 18. Which proclamation of national emergency automatically suspend? Which proclamation of national emergency automatically suspend? This is right to freedom. The right answer of this question is right to freedom. The next question. The next question is the latitude of a place is the same at which place? The latitude of a place is the same at which place? That is celestial pole. The right answer of this question is celestial pole. The last question of this session. This is what was the script used in the earliest Tamil inscription? What is the right answer of this question? Comment the session. If you have no answer, you search the answer and comment the right answer of this in the comment section. Thank you.